What's up people, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can type in Arabic into CorelDraw, Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. This video was a request from one of our subscribers. He asked me if I could make a video on how to type in Arabic into these programs. So if you take a look at my taskbar here, you see I have English and Arabic here. So if you want to activate this Arabic language, all you need to go to the control panel. So if you are using Windows 7, just type in, you have your start button here, just type in control panel, or you know how to figure out your way to the control panel. So let me just click on control panel here. So it's going to open up, and what you have to do is click here and you click on all control panels. So you're looking for an option called language, which is this one. So you click on it, and I'll be showing you guys how to remove this one because you might don't need them sometimes. So I will remove it. That's a way to remove a language. So I've removed it, and let's say I want to add in the language back. So I'll click on add the language, and you search for Arabic. So this is Arabic here. You click on open, and the one I normally go with is the Saudi Arabia, this one here. So you just click on it, add, and I'll be showing you something else. There are some keyboard you install, it doesn't have the Arabic numbers on it. So but if you want to activate the numbers, you just click on options here, and it's going to open up the option for this Arabic language stuff. So you can see it said add an input method, so I'm going to click on that, and when you scroll down, the one I use is this Kurdish, Central Kurdish. So I'm just going to click on it, and I'm going to click on add. I'm going to click on save, and you are true. So I'll be trying it out in CorelDraw. So it's opening. So let me zoom. So I'll be typing. If you notice, my English is selected here, so I have to change it to Arabic here. So I'll change it to that one, and I'm going to click again, and I'll start typing. You notice it works directly in CorelDraw, so you can change the colors, or maybe tweak some things, or curve it, or change the font. But in Photoshop is a bit different, so let me show you how to do that in Photoshop. Open. So this is the type 2 here. I'm going to click, and I'm going to start typing. So one thing you notice is that it's not joining itself, like the numbers aren't coming together. So you want to click on this commit, and what you want to go to is this paragraphs option here. If you don't have the paragraph option here, you can go to the Windows here and look for paragraph here. So it's going to bring out this option here. So what you want to do is click on this one. Make sure you are selecting the layer of the text. Come here and click on Middle Eastern. So when you click on that, it's going to transform back to the way it's supposed to be. So that's that for Photoshop. So let's come into Illustrator, because it's also a bit different in Adobe Illustrator. So this is type 2. So I'm going to click. So I'm going to start typing. It has created a text for us. So let me just type out some things. You can see it's not working properly, and if you come to the paragraph style here, you can also find them from the Windows. When you come here, you will notice you are not seeing the option here apart from this one here. So one thing you want to do is go to edit, and you go to preferences, and you go to type. So when you come to type, there is an option you have to check. So sometimes it might not be checked at all, but if it's checked, it's basically on the show Eastern. So the one you want is the show indic option. So you click on show indic option and you click on OK. So you notice it's not changed. Then you come to the option here and you click on this one, the Middle Eastern and South. So it's going to adjust itself. But I've showed you how to adjust the settings, but what about typing it? Okay, what if you have a real project and you don't know how to type it? Because when you check your keyboard, you are using English on your keyboard, and a way to fix this is by buying sticker. There are some sticker they sell, is a keyboard sticker, it has Arabic on it. That's one way to go about it, but sometimes I don't recommend it because each language you install has different arrangements, so it's going to be like a waste of money. So another option I recommend is using an on-screen keyboard. So on-screen keyboard comes with every Windows, so it's free. So how to activate it is you just press Window R, and you can see I have the run here. You can type in OSK for the on-screen keyboard, or you can go to your Windows and look for on-screen keyboard. But this is the way I do it. So on-screen keyboard, I'm waiting for you. Okay, so it's here. So this is how I activate it. So you notice there are letters here. So let's say I want to edit this and I want to type in Allah, which means God in Arabic. So I'm just going to type it. Okay, and that's that. But you know, had it been you don't have this on-screen keyboard, you won't be able to know the specific region this letter are. So I highly recommend using the on-screen keyboard for things like this. So another thing you notice is they are not, if you are Muslim or you understand Arabic how it works, you notice these are not Arabic numbers. So that's the reason why I said you should activate the second option on that keyboard, which is the Central Kurdish. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to click here. You notice it has changed to the Arabic numbers. So that's why I said you should activate it. So you can just, whenever you need the number, you can switch and just use it and then switch back. If you are true, you click on English. But if you are coming here every time, you see it's like stress. But shortcut key is Window space, sorry. So when you press Window space, you can toggle through all this process. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe. Comment down what you want to learn. Like I said, a subscriber requested this video and I made it happen. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your loved ones. Keep learning, keep creating, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.